Hello fellow YouTubers, today we'll be unboxing the RC helicopter. You can buy this at your local market, like Walmart, Toys R Us, Target. It's a very expensive toy. I bought two, which equaled out to $1,000. This is what the helicopter looks like. They made a mistake. They put two of them in here. Oh my gosh. And two controllers. Today, here's the owner's manual. Here, you guys can get a close-up on this. Owner's manual. RC helicopter. They made that design really realistic. Like, look at this. Look at the controller. Look just like it. And then look at the helicopter. I can't believe how good that looks, dude. Wow.
Oh, they even gave you the pen.
They also gave me a free pen. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, today, let's look at the pages. Controller, helicopter. Okay, the controller, it's talking about the switch. So, it's talking about the switch on the helicopter, the controller. If you look at it, it says off and on. When you turn it on, green light comes on. If you guys do not know how to get on an RC, I would not recommend it. Because helicopters are very dangerous. My friend actually bought one from Target a couple weeks ago. And his baby brother, eye came out. And he got rushed to the hospital, and actually he died. He actually died. So, okay, to make a long story short, he was never seen again. Okay, so turning levers, make sure the turning. Hold up. Mom, why is this here? Oh my God, you look like an idiot. Okay, the throttle on this thing. It's oh my gosh, it's already getting stuck. It's brand new, out of the box. Well, I'm gonna have to complain to Walmart. Okay, and it also comes with a free charger built into the controller. It also comes with some free AA's. I haven't put those in yet. And we're going on to the helicopter. It's talking about the blades. See how it says, warning. These could take out your friend's or brother's eyeballs. Wow, Johnny. Read the stupid blades, retard. Taking out your brother. My God. And the bendiness. Look at that. See how bendy it is? It's not good. So, that's a wrap. Thank you fellow YouTubers, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
Cool.